time that you're coming up on the channel, I will tell you to subscribe and share the link. Also click on the notification button so that you can get more of our video in case whenever we upload a new video. You understand? And if you're also a returning subscriber, copy the link of today and share, because so that it could help others, because a lot of people don't have idea of these things. And the benefit in here is that you learn. Okay, and a good one, let me tell you guys, in case you want to buy your organic recipe or skincare recipe or skincare ingredient, please, the number on your screen, you just need to dial or shout us up. Being wherever you are, you've been in US, Canada, Europe, Asia country, anywhere, just UK, even African countries, you could just pick up the number and dial. You get to us. We say original, and don't say because you buy from somewhere and it's cheap out there, you want to buy there. Let me advise you, a lot of people be saying this to me when they inbox me, and it pains me a lot. It pains me you don't get it right now. A lot of fake goods are there. A lot of fake goods are there to God who made us. A lot of fake goods. What will it profit you? What y'all want to use for your body? And at the end of it all, when you buy these things, they become a damages. Do you know how much damage that you've caused on your body? It's really, really, really crazy. Please return from that attitude. Buy original, and we sell original. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, our product, they are original. You understand? So our creams, our recipes, they are all original. And wherever you are, we'll always locate you to make sure within 4 days to 5 days you get your order. And for those of you who say that you have problem with my accent, the thing is, I think not you alone in this platform, and I think might be this video, I ain't doing it for you at all, because if you say you have problem with the way I talk, the way I feel, something say that this is how you talk, and I'm like, I don't get you, like you don't, because this video, this platform is not for you alone. And like, we have a lot of people, also that's Western world, like a lot of people. So you having problem with the way I talk, that is you problem, not mine. You go deal with it. You. For those of you who calling Ada for recipe, she's not the right person for you to call, because she don't sell recipe. You understand? She sell our own product, but not recipe. And as a matter of fact, I will always tell you, she said good creams. She has one of the best product in Nigeria right now that is trading. So also us too. Trust me on that one. So if you want to buy a recipe, you can always call us, and make sure you follow us on our Instagram. Make sure you follow us on our Instagram and Facebook, and the handles are AYA Cosmetic Nigeria on Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria on Facebook, as simple as that. Okay, so quickly let's move to today's agenda. Come on. It's a wonderful one today, trust me. A lot of people will be looking for how to mix their cream. They want to get white. I want to get white. Okay, you want to get white, fine, that's nice. Your cream, okay, get white with your cream, but don't get white with stretch mark. I just don't know, because a lot of people, they be telling me about the stretch mark of a thing, and that uninvited guest, we just need to fight it out. We should deal with you today. Let's deal with it today again. So we are just on the series of stretch mark right now. Yeah, we'll soon get to the one of narco, trust me. So how do we really get rid of all the stretch mark on our body? Come on, ladies. You know what I mean? It's embarrassing, guys, it's embarrassing. That whole thing is embarrassing. Like when you on the beach, you can't pull off your clothes, you can take off your clothes. Even in your home, you can't pull off your. Sometimes you become nervous too much. It's crazy. That's really crazy. I mean, so there's somehow or some way we can deal with all this stretch mark of a thing. So mind the cream you use, please, because mind the cream you use, because sometimes we just buy cream and we without reading the structure, without even know what they've been made of. You understand? So right now, I have another solution for you. I've provided solutions some time now, and I have a solution for you. So somebody inboxed me and said, "Oh, boss, I think that's a very good idea. What you introduced for us is very good, but quite expensive. Not that she's against it. Very correct that she like it, but it's quite expensive. That is there any way I could really do a review on a cheaper one, but powerful also?" I said, well, yes, we have a lot of cheaper items that are cheap, but still they do their work. But I prefer sometimes let's go for the best. Let's go for the best so that we don't have issues. So that was why I said, let me talk about this skin doctor, this herbal skin doctor. You know, y'all see this? Let me not. You can say it's like the light will not. Yes, herbal skin doctor. Look at it. Herbal skin doctor. Let me see. Okay, herbal skin doctor. That's great. I know you. This one, oh, very clear. Yeah, I've seen this. Fine. Okay, let's quickly talk about this because I'm not going to take much of your time about this right now. You see, sometimes people underrate some product too, but I wouldn't tell you that they didn't pay me. Oh, please, they didn't pay me. I'm not just the type that will come and I'll see the truth and I say it. But however, they didn't pay me. I'm not making advert for them, not at all. I'm not making advert for them. I'm only telling you the truth. So, in a quick one, like as I said, this skin doctor is also a powerful injection that you can use for your cream. That it will take stretch mark off your body. What even causes stretch mark? You don't know. If not the one of you inherited from the family, heredity or whatever you may call it. You understand it? I believe also stress might cause stretch mark, because when you overstress yourself, yes, that could lead to stretch mark. You don't understand? Yeah, it's not only fat. It's not. I mean, a lot of things can cause stretch marks. So sometimes we have to be mindful of how we are, operate our body system. Also, we need some good rest. Okay, a quick one. Let's quickly, like the first time when I recommended this to some people, some ladies, one of them said she went ahead and she started using it alone because she saw it on the back of the carton, the pack, and said, use it, apply it to the affected area and massage your body till it deserve all that. Fine, all that be written. Everybody's skin type different. Y'all might do that. It can work. It could not work sometimes. So I didn't blame her. But according to her, she said it didn't work. So she had to come back and tell me. I said, okay, yes, it didn't work because of your skin type. It worked for some people that way. So this is what you can do. Now, take about 2 of it and mix it with 250 ml of your cream, and let's see what happened. Don't come back and tell me it didn't work. Use what I asked you to use and exactly what I told you how to use it. And then she went ahead to do that with the right cream. That's what I don't know. I can tell you this is the right cream and this is not the right cream. That is not my jurisdiction to tell you about that, Okay, so she went ahead and she had that done. And by the time when she did that, oh my God, she said she will not leave that stuff anymore. That this skin doctor, that she preferred this, and I think it's working for her. I say glory be to God. You found a solution, so get her to it. And I wish. And I think some days back she even called me and she'll be using that up to a year now. So I think so. It really worked on her. So quickly, let's even see what it's been made of. And let's see, yeah, the ingredient they use on it. Some of the name are okay, aqua, okay, glycerin, and hydroxy proline and aspartate, and a lot more that, man, come on, like to be made. You all know all these names and all that, so I don't want to go into that deeply. But what I'm saying right now is quite effective when you use it very well. They didn't pay me, I repeat, they didn't pay me. I'm only doing this from the honest truth. Okay, so always use this. If you know that you can afford ample glutathione, yes, you can use this. Some days back I did talk about ample glutathione, so which is the other big one, which is containing about 12 in a pack. So this one is 10 in a pack, and you see, like I'll show you again how it's looking like right now. Look at it. Yeah, okay. So make sure you always keep it in a dry place too, because it really contains some of the substance that can help you to regenerate. So having know the functions, which is it stimulates the metabolism of collagen. You get it stimulate the metabolism of collagen and elastin fiber. You getting it, which helps to regenerate reduction. Are you getting it? Yes, it helps to regenerate reduction and the prevention of stretch marks. So that is what it does. So I don't want to really go into big grammar. That's why I try to explain it in the previous way what it really does in our body, you know. So the thing is, as for those of you who use this, just use it in an appropriate manner, that it will not result to some other negativity. Because if you don't know how to use it, fine. Just let your people, whoever that Promixing for you, do that. You understand? Because the way you see it right now is to help you, not to make it harmful to your body. Because all this, they are all chemicals. So please be mindful of that. So once again, let me tell you, if you want to buy your skincare ingredient or product or cosmetic, organic recipe, whatever you want to buy in the skincare world, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, we're in there for you. Are you getting it? Being wherever you are right now in this world, we can ship them to you. Just place your order via the number on your screen. All you just need to, even if you are in the US, you are in Canada, you are in Asia, Europe, UK, even other African countries, just call out the number on your screen, the number you see in the top of my head. That is the number you are going to call, okay? There's no need of you calling out that on recipe. You can call out that on a product, but on recipe, you can call us. Also, we have our own creams, okay? Have you heard about this cream? Okay, look at it properly, okay? Yes. Okay, look at it properly. Okay, so maybe, I don't know if you can see it fine. Yes, have you heard about this cream? Irish Ladies Body White. Look at it. Irish Ladies Body White, aka Yellow CC. You know, this cream, as a matter of fact, I keep telling people, this is really America Wonder. Yes, America Wonder. This cream have the tendency of making you white within 7 days, and actually, again, it have the tendency of giving you 7 shade whitening or lightening. Are you getting it? So make sure you place your order on this cream now. Place your order on this cream now. For those of you who love to white, are you getting it? This is the right cream for you. And as a matter of fact, we have the soap also. We have the scrub also. Are you getting it? So place your order now for Irish Ladies Body White, aka Yellow CC. All right then. So if today is your first time hopping into our channel, make sure you subscribe, you like and share. Click on the notification button to make you notified whenever we upload new videos. You understand? And if you're a returning subscriber, please don't be greedy. Just make sure you share to others too. tell people about this channel. And we also have another channel that is titled AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Go check that one out. Make sure you subscribe, please. You know, that's why. I mean, you want to know much about AYA Cosmetic Nigeria? Go check on that channel, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Also, our YouTube our Instagram handle and Facebook handle is AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and you can see it's flowing from the right to the left. You can see all of it there. The YouTube, you can see the Instagram, you can see the Facebook. Just subscribe, please. You know, that's why we're in here for you. We're all learning. So whatever difficulties you pass through, you can always come inbox me on my via the WhatsApp number also. Yes, but don't come and tell me rubbish. Don't come and tell me things that will got me peeved or things that was gonna annoy me, because a lot of people they fond of doing that. Don't come tell me how my assets sound. Don't come tell me, oh blah blah blah, oh this is too cost or this is all hard to work. No, what you come suggest, bring an idea. We tackle this. Like I told you, any moment from now I will be stream living with you guys. I will be stream living with you guys. Then you ask me question, I can respond immediately. Are you getting it? And the site is still coming up whereby you can also place your order immediately as well too. So what am I forgetting? Otherwise, we've come to the end of this class. I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Place your order now.